In this video, we are going to learn how to graph a linear equation. First example, what is the graph of negative 2x plus y equals 1? This isn't in slope-intercept form yet, so we're going to put it in slope-intercept form. In order to do this, we're going to solve for the y variable. So we'll add 2x to each side, giving us y is equal to positive 2x plus 1. Now that it's in slope-intercept form, we can easily identify a y-intercept, which would be 0, 1, which we can graph along the y-axis. Now, in order to draw a line, as we can remember from geometry, we need at least 2 points. In order to find a second point, what we need to do is use the slope, which in this case is 2, to find a second point. So 2 means that we will rise 2, positive vertical change of 2, and then run 1 for a slope of 2. But now that you have 2 points, we can draw a straight line through the points. And there you go. That is now the graph of a linear equation. For our second example, we have what is the graph of 4x plus 7y equals 14? We'll start by putting this in slope-intercept form, solving for y. We'll subtract 4x, giving us 7y is equal to negative 4x plus 14. Then divide each side by 7, which will give me y is equal to negative 4/7 x plus 2. Again, the same steps. What is the y-intercept? Positive 2. So we go to 0, 2, and plot our y-intercept. And our slope is negative 4/7, so we can use our slope to find one more point so we can draw a straight line. So we'll go down 4, because our vertical change is negative 4, and our horizontal change is 7, so then we'll go to the right 7 positively. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you count along the tick marks, you'll count 7, and we're at negative 2, 7. Now, I made a mistake in the last example. As you can see, my line doesn't quite line up with the other point because I tried to do it free-handedly. Now, if you just take a straight edge, and I'm going to use my Barnes & Noble Educator card to create a straight line between the 2 points, and your graph will suddenly look a lot nicer. So a good practice you can do from here is to say that this red line is the equation 4x plus 7y equals 14, as a nice reminder that you did graph the equation in question. Over here, I would have graphed negative 2x plus y equals 1.